In this video, I'm going to show you how to get true stretch resolution in Valorant. So I'm going to show you two options if your PC is powered by a GPU from Nvidia and if your PC is powered by a GPU from AMD. Now the first one is Nvidia, okay? Just follow me and my steps. You can pause the video whenever you like, and you can just continue when you've done that step and just continue listening to me, okay? So the first thing you want to do is right click on the desktop to open the context menu and select Nvidia Control Panel. Now once you've done that, you want to go to Manage 3D Settings and make sure that DSR Factors is set to off. Then once you've done this, you want to go to Adjust Desktop Size and Resolution, and then you want to select the option for full screen and check the box beside Override the Scaling Mode set by Games and Programs. So that's the first part. Then, you want to select a stretched resolution from the drop-down list. Now, some popular examples for a 1080p monitor are 1280 by 960, or 1440 by 1080, or 1600 by 900, okay? So these are the most popular ones. Now, if you don't see the resolution you want, you can create new stretched resolutions. Go to Change Resolution option from the left panel. Now, in the Change Resolution section, select Customize. Make sure that the box besides Enable Resolutions Not Exposed by the Display is unchecked and click the Create Custom Resolution. You then have to enter the resolution you want in the text boxes for horizontal and vertical pixels and click on Test and then on Yes. Now, once the above settings are applied, so what I've just told you has been done, you have to open up the game, so Valorant, and head over to Settings, and then inside Video, and then inside General. Now, for true stretched resolution, choose Windowed instead of full screen for display mode. And for the drop-down list, select the resolution you chose in the Nvidia Control Panel. Next, you have to click on Apply and then Confirm, and Valorant will now run in a stretched resolution. So that's how you do it, okay? Now, I'm going to tell you how to do it in case your PC is powered by an AMD GPU, okay? Now, you have to follow these steps. You have to download the AMD Radeon app from AMD's website if you don't have it installed already. Now, most AMD computers or computers with AMD Radeon GPUs have this app pre-installed, okay? But if you don't, just download it. It's very easy and quick to do. Then you have to right-click on desktop to open the context menu and select AMD Radeon. On top right, you want to click the gear icon to open settings. Now, you have to open the display section and then click the custom resolutions, okay? Now, click on Create New to add a stretched resolution. Some recommended stretched resolutions are, as I've said before, but they're of course a bit different here. You can play around, doesn't really matter, but I would recommend either 1440 by 1080, 1280 by 1024, or 1600 by 900, okay? So I would recommend any of these. Check them out and see which you prefer. Doesn't really matter. Now, set the timing display option to the stretched resolution you selected in the previous step. Select Create and save the resolution to apply the settings. Now, once the above settings are applied, open the game and head over to Settings, Video, and General. Okay, so inside Valorant, go to these settings. It's the exact same thing as earlier with Nvidia. And then, for true stretched resolution, choose Windowed instead of full screen for display mode. And then, from the drop-down list, select the resolution you chose in AMD Radeon. Next, you want to click Apply and then Confirm. And yet again, the game will now run in stretched resolution. One thing I have to point out though is that it should be noted that playing Valorant in windowed mode may negatively affect FPS output and also increase latency. So this means that if you want to play in a true stretched resolution inside Valorant, you may have to pay the price of lower FPS and increased latency, okay? So if you want to run the game smoothly with maximum possible FPS and the best possible latency on your computer, you may not want to play in stretched resolution. And I hope this video helped you out.